How to increase font size on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to increase your font size on all the website of yours. So we're going to head over Squarespace, head over the account dashboard, and we're going to select the website. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the website, click on it, and then we're going to find this drop-down menu which contains pages, styles, assets, and SEO. We're going to click on styles and then we're going to select font. So we can go ahead and click on the parameters of the font and then we're going to see the base size. This is where we are going to increase the font size. I'm going to let you take a look here. This is a font. All of these are going to be fonts. If I'm going to head over here and select the size in pixels and put it at, for example, here we have 16, we're going to put it as 20. And as you can see, it is going to be increased. Maybe I'm going to put it as something, let's say more logical, 18. And it is going to be a little bit bigger. So you can increase also with 1 pixel at a time by clicking on the plus, like that. And here you go. So I'm going to head over 16, which is going to be the base. You can also change the heading, as you can see, and only change the heading weight. For example, I can go ahead and put the weight for the heading only like that. So you can go ahead and increase only, or let's say independently, the heading one sizes only by setting up this. So we do not have a heading 1, as you can see. I'm going to let it as this. Heading 2, it is going to control that. As you can see, we're going to put it as 2.8 as it was. Like that, and boom. So do not forget to save and click on exit to finish up the title or the work, and here you go. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.